refuse to make excuses.
I refuse to make excuses.
I am the creative force of my life.
I am the creative force of my life.
I am responsible.
I am responsible.
Not a victim.
Not a victim.
I don't blame.
I don't blame.
I don't complain.
I don't complain.
Because I am responsible.
Because I am responsible.
Over my life.
Over my life.
Over my family.
Over my family.
I am responsible.
I am responsible.
Over my business.
Over my business.
Over my finances.
Over my finances.
I am responsible.
I am responsible.
Because I am a leader.
Because I am the leader.
Parang kulang, no? Parang hindi complete eh. Parang scripted. Ganito gawin. Sa conscious kayo eh. Ganito gawin natin. Pikit kayo. Pikit. Hindi pipikit, iyayaman. Mamatay na ang downline niya. May sumpa. May sumpa. Kasi nakikita mo yung katabi mo eh. Kaya hindi mo sinisigaw eh. Hindi nagagaling sa puso eh. Okay. Slowly. 1, 2, 3. Close your eyes. Have a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Imagine napakarami ng pagkakataon. At the age of 17, ilang beses mo lang narinig yung word na di mo yan kaya, bata ka, di mo yan linya, MLM yan, di ka naman taga-sales. Diba? Bago ka pumunta dito, ganyan yung masa bahay mo eh. 6 months na yung iba, wala pang recruit. Bakit? Feeling mo kasi di ka magaling, gaya nila. Feeling mo lang naniniwala sa'yo. If you keep on believing na hindi ka productive at wala pa naniniwala sa'yo, wala pa naniniwala talaga sa'yo. If you keep on believing na mataba ka, talaga mataba yan. If you keep on believing na hindi ka appealing sa mga recruit, hindi mangyayari. If you keep on believing na mahirap to, talaga mahihirapan ka. Tama? But no one can help you except yourself. No one can elevate your life. No one can give you a lifestyle, a freedom except yourself. Not your upline, not me, not your parents, not Duterte, not the government. Hindi na panahon na sisihan. Panahon na ngayon na ma-realize ang mga pangarap mo. Tinawag ka dito ng Diyos dahil work ka. Work ka sa Kanya, natulungan, na payamanin, na para maging tunay na tao. Kahit negative ang asawa mong pasanin. Darating ang panahon na hiniwala din yan sa pinaglalaban mo. Dahil mas mahalaga sa'yo ang future ng anak mo kaysa mga negative tao na kapaligid sa'yo. Today, it's about time. Be responsible for your life, for your future, for your finances. Wala sa ibang tutulong. But I'll tell you, mahal ka ng Diyos kaya nandito ka. Ang daming tao sa labas, hindi nakatid ng training. Ang daming tao sa labas, hindi alam na may JC Premier. Ikaw pang tinawag dito. Do you think it's an accident? No! It's because you are worth to be rich. You are worth to have a secure future. You deserve to have a secure future. Kaya ka nandito. Maniwala ka lang. Close your eyes. Then repeat after me. Are you ready?
Yes.
I am a responsible person.
I am a responsible person.
Kung kailangan mo isigaw ng gagisa, isigaw mo. Kung kailangan sumuntok ka, huwag ka lang mananakit, okay. Kung kailangan pumadyak, it's up to you. Ramdaman mo. Ramdamin mo. Listen to your voice. Don't listen to the voice of your seatmate. Listen to your voice. Pakiramdaman mo siya. Tawagin mo yung childhood mo kung maaari para ma-feel mo talaga. I am a responsible person.
I am a responsible person.
Charge of my success.
Charge of my success.
Accountable for my failure.
Accountable for my failure.
I am responsible.
I am responsible.
I refuse to make excuses.
I refuse to make excuses.
I am the creative force of my life.
I am the creative force of my life.
I am responsible.
I am responsible.
Not a victim.
Not a victim.
I don't blame.
I don't blame.
I don't complain.
I don't complain.
Because I am responsible.
I am responsible.
Over my life.
Over my life.
Over my family.
Over my life.
I am responsible.
I am responsible.
Over my business.
Over my business.
Over my finances.
Over my finances.
I am a responsible person.
I am responsible.
yourself a round of applause. I want to end this session by playing a song. Okay, pwede nyo sabayan, pwede kayong kumanta by Bruno Mars. Okay, teka lang. Alright. All you have to do is for 3 minutes, roam around, go around, okay? Shake the hands of those people na makatapat mo, or even or hug that person na nakaharap mo. Lahat nakikot kayo. Sabihin mo sa kanya, I am a responsible person. Pag ikaw naman sinabihan na I'm a responsible person, ang sagot mo, yes, you are. Okay? Take those person na nag-invite sa'yo, your upline or whatsoever, your crossline, basta roam around. And say to that person, I am responsible. Again, ang sagot mo, yes, you are. Okay? Parang play mo na. Okay? Go! Ginagin nyo mga upline nyo. Alright. Are you excited? Yes! Jun, okay na. Thank you. If you want to make your passive income possible, you have to learn the art of moving the products. Tama? So on March 19, meron akong training, the art of retailing. Tuturo ko sa inyo yung zero resistance in moving the products. Alright? Sino gusto gumaling magbenta ng produkto? Sino gusto gumaling mag-demo? Tuturo ko yun. So, mark the date, March 19, here in the head office, the art of retailing. Pero, may ticket po tayo ibebenta dyan sa training department. Okay? Pag bumili kayo sa March 19 ng ticket, it's 1,000 pesos per head. Pero pag bibili kayo, within a week, 300 lang. Walang biro. Pag bibili kayo on the day, papasok kayo dyan na wala kayong ticket, it's 1,000 pesos.